Did you know that during the last major crypto bull run in 2021, Bitcoin's price soared over 300% in just a few months? Ethereum followed close behind. XRP shocked the markets. And meme coins? Some made overnight millionaires. Now in 2025, we're seeing early signs of another massive surge. But this time, the game has changed. Welcome to Crypto Cortex, where smart minds decode the complex world of crypto. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most pressing questions in the space right now. What's really behind the 2025 crypto surge? We're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and the tech and money forces driving this new wave. Let's break it down. Before we talk about where things are going, we have to understand what's standing in the way, and why not everyone believes in this bull run yet. Here's what's currently creating uncertainty in the crypto market. Regulatory crackdowns, from the SEC targeting altcoins to global governments crafting CBDCs, crypto is under the microscope like never before. XRP's ongoing battles with U.S. regulators have been central to the crypto news cycle, especially with XRP News Today highlighting potential ripple effects across the entire industry. Market volatility. Even in early 2025, Bitcoin's price has seen swings of 15–20% in a matter of days. Ethereum gas fees are still volatile. Altcoins continue to pump and dump. This scares off institutional players and retail investors alike. Tech barriers and Layer 1. Friction. While Ethereum 2.0 is now live and significantly improved scalability, not all dApps are optimized. XRP Ledger is fast and efficient, but it still lacks mainstream visibility. Interoperability between chains is improving, but it's not seamless. In short, uncertainty, fear, and friction still exist in the system. But beneath that, the biggest financial revolution since the internet is brewing. Let's now flip the lens and look at what's actually driving this surge. 1. Institutional adoption. Hits a new level. BlackRock, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs. These aren't just headlines anymore. They're actively allocating billions into digital assets, setting up new crypto ETF offerings, and building blockchain infrastructure. In fact, the Bitcoin spot ETFs that were approved in late 2024 have already led to record-breaking inflows. More institutions box more demand, box upward pressure on price. Ethereum is now being viewed not just as a smart contract platform, but as the backbone of decentralized finance. Ethereum staking is mainstream, and XRP, now being trialed for cross-border settlements with multiple global banks, thanks to clarity after its legal battle. Spoiler, XRP is no longer a maybe, it's a must-watch. 2. DeFi 2.0 is more powerful and safer. The DeFi space has matured. Smart contract audits, insurance mechanisms, and decentralized ID protocols are reducing the risks that led to collapses in previous years. Protocols like Aave, Uniswap, and MakerDAO are now on-chain banks and liquidity engines. Cross-chain DeFi is emerging, powered by protocols like Chainlink CCIP and Layer 0, allowing Ethereum, BNB Chain, and XRP Ledger to interact in ways never possible before. This creates a liquidity tsunami, and the market is responding. 3. Tokenization of real-world assets. RWA, 2025, is the year when tokenizing real-world assets is no longer theory. It's reality. We're seeing tokenized real estate on the blockchain, bonds and stocks moving to digital rails, central banks exploring blockchain settlements, institutions are issuing bonds on Ethereum Layer 2s, real estate tokenized on Polygon, even gold is now on-chain, and XRP is being tested for CBDC interoperability. The token economy isn't coming, it's here. 4. AI plus. Crypto second. Next frontier. Another underappreciated driver, the fusion of artificial intelligence and blockchain. Decentralized. Compute, AI-generated DAOs and on-chain machine learning marketplaces are exploding. Projects like Fetch.ai, Ocean Protocol, and SingularityNet are pumping. But the real power is in how AI optimizes crypto investing. People are using AI bots to build DeFi strategies, conduct sentiment analysis, and even predict price movements using real-time data. We're entering the age of autonomous crypto finance, and 2025 is just the beginning. 5. Macroeconomic trends. Favor. Crypto. Let's zoom out. Inflation is still higher than most central banks like to admit. Real estate markets are cooling, traditional stock markets are stagnating. People are searching for yield, decentralization, and alternatives to fiat. Bitcoin is being referred to as digital gold more than ever, and it's holding strong as a hedge against global economic instability. Ethereum is being seen as a productive asset, with staking yields offering attractive on-chain alternatives to bonds. And XRP, as central banks look to digitize money, RippleNet is positioning XRP as the bridge currency for a multi-CBDC world. So here's the moment of clarity. This isn't just another bull run. This is a foundational shift. Crypto in 2025 isn't driven by hype. It's driven by infrastructure, real-world use, and big money backing. The Bitcoin halving in early 2024 was a spark. But the fuel? It's institutional adoption, DeFi maturity, and a population waking up to the power of self-custody and digital assets. And guess what? According to market analysts at Bloomberg and Coinbase Institutional, the total crypto market cap could reach $6 to $10 trillion by the end of 2025. We're talking about crypto going mainstream, not just financially, but functionally. Let's recap what's driving the 2025 crypto surge. Bitcoin and Ethereum backed by institutional inflows, XRP poised for cross-border and CBDC utility, DeFi 2.0 opening real-world financial alternatives. Tokenized real-world assets moving trillions on-chain AI integration, creating smart, autonomous investment tools. Global economic conditions pushing demand for decentralized finance. It's not a hype cycle. It's a historic convergence of tech, finance, and freedom. What do you think is the biggest factor behind the 2025 crypto surge? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Let's build the most insightful crypto community on YouTube. And don't forget to check out our next video, why XRP might be the most underrated coin of the decade. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because Crypto Cortex is your edge in a noisy world.